Yes, now we can discuss about the A to Z e-commerce terms. Only we can discuss about the terminology in e-commerce A to Z. That means A, B, C, D, E, F likewise. A to Z e-commerce terminology and the terms we can discuss now. The first one is in the A alphabet. Abandoned cart. A common practice when customers add a product in their workshop in their shopping cart but not purchase it. They left it abandoned. That is the abandoned cart. It will be considered as abandoned cart. And ads. Ads are advertising is a paid promotion method. Some of the common ads are Google ads, Facebook ads, print ads, and Quora ads, etc. And affiliate marketing, a form of sales promotion in which registered person helps to promote and make sales and in return earn some commission. BFCM, it stands for Black Friday Cyber Monday. It is the highest sales weekend in commerce. Black Friday Cyber Monday. A lot of online sellers wait for this day to boost their sales. Big Commerce, it is a company that provides a platform to retailers to set up an online stores, get web hosting, SEO, marketing and security etc. and sell products online. Then the next term is blog, a type of content format that is popular in which people talk about their knowledge and the relevant related experience. Generally blogs consist of 500 to 5000 words. Cart. Cart means a wheel carriage. A cart is a wheel carriage that contains the product that a customer picks from store to purchase and takes it to the counter for checkout. What is checkout? And checkout is a process of paying for the product purchase online. It is done through one of the several payment methods available such as credit card, PayPal, debit card or even cash as delivery. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a software that allows brands to manage all different aspects of their and the interactions between the two. Conversion, turning a lead or prospects into customers is conversion. Conversion is something all brands are struggling to make as to increase their revenue. Then in the alphabet D, the delivery is the next one. It is an end of e-commerce shopping supply chain in which the purchased product finally reaches the customer. Drop shipping. It is a form of supply chain that includes suppliers, sellers and buyers. It has turned into a great form of e-commerce. Drop shipping. It is a form of supply chain that includes a supplier, seller and buyers. It has turned into a great form of e-commerce retail business where inventory is not a burden. Sellers gets an order, passes on the order to supplier and supplier sends the product directly to the buyer. That is drop shipping. So customer will select one product that will be drop shipped to the customer address. Google Analytics, one of the top used Google services. It allows you to track down the acquisition and engagement of the visitors on your website and other things. And then the next terminology is a multi-vendor marketplace. It is a form of an online store in which the store owner can allow multiple vendors to add and sell their product on their platform and in return pay some commission. So this terminology will be useful to almost all e-commerce developers and all these. For the terminology and the process, all these things it can be. This terminology will be useful to them in a shortcut. Multi-vendor marketplace. It is a form of an online store in which the store owner can allow multiple vendors to add and sell their product on their platform and in return pay some commission. M-commerce, master of commerce, that is stands for mobile commerce. M-commerce stands for mobile commerce. When online shopping is done through mobile devices, then it is known as M-commerce. PPC, pay per click. It is a format of ads in which the advertiser has to pay only when the leads click on the ads. Payment gateways. Payment gateway is an online payments service that when integrated with the e-commerce platform, it is decided it is devised as a channel to make and receive payments. PayPal, one of the most popular payment methods worldwide. Google Pay is also there. Likewise, retail, those businesses that sell products directly to the customer are termed as retailers. SEO, it stands for search engine optimization. SEO gives visibility in search results. Shipping, during shipping the product is packed and delivered to the customers at their address. Social media are the platforms such as Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc., where users create their accounts and share their timeline. These platforms are a great source of finding new customers, and therefore highly used in marketing. I hope the list of these terms covers e-commerce, and the links will help to explore in detail. This is the information I want to share with you regarding A to Z e-commerce terminology. This terminology will be useful especially to the e-commerce developers. These terms will be highly useful. That is the information I want to share with you. May God bless you.